here, thank you so much for watching me. Today's video I'm doing a very different video for what I did till now. So today I'm gonna reveal all the secret of the makeup artist about how to prepare your skin for the right makeup for a photo shoot. But before everything, I want you to know Jewel.
Hi everybody, my name is Jewel and I will be getting a wet look today.
And she's a really good model, guys, and I had a really good time with her.
Ditto.
And today what we're gonna do is basically to teach you how to do makeup for a photo shoot, because what you see on Instagram, what you see on YouTube, it's not the right makeup for a photo shoot. It's really important to prepare the skin for the makeup application. I'm gonna show you some secrets that a lot of makeup artists don't want you to know about how to prepare your skin, what the right foundation, what the right concealer, what all of the stuff that you need to do to achieve this look that is gonna look good on the camera as well. Because what looks good in person doesn't have to be look good in the camera. So it's really important to know how to do the makeup for a photo shoot. And guys, if you want to see how I do this look, just keep watching me. So guys, let's begin. So I'm using this skincare. I'm gonna use the 24 karat sheet mask of Miss Spa. This one you can get in Target for $4. If you want to achieve the dewy look, the natural dewy look, so that will be a really good stuff for you guys, because it just leaves the skin very hydrating and very shiny. And after that, I'm moving on to the prep work of Urban. So this one is in eye patches. You use this before you apply your makeup as well, so it just leaves your eyes very fresh, especially if you didn't sleep very well, so you just want to make sure that your eyes look good. This one is a really good product. And then I'm using the setting spray of MAC, with this one called Fix It Wet and Prime. I am using it a lot for this look because I just want to make sure that it looks very dripping and very wet. And then I'm moving on to the strobe cream in shade Peach Light. So this one is a very nice strobe cream. It's just making sure it's kind of illuminator. It's making sure that the skin looks very shiny and very illuminate. For the foundation, I'm going to use a very radiant foundation. It's called Futurist Hydro Rescue Shade Amber Honey of Estee Lauder. For the concealer, I'm going to use the Tint Idol Ultra Wear 420 Bisque. This one is a kind of a medium to full coverage concealer. It still gives you the radiant. So for the contour, I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation Stick in shade Cool Almond. It's really important just to make sure that you give more sculpting to your face and kind of contour the face. But we just want to keep it natural, so we're not going to use of it too much. To set the concealer and the makeup, I'm going to use the Morphe Bake and Set in shade Translucent. For the eyes, I'm using the KKW Kim Kardashian, and this one is the palette The Artist in Mousse. This one is a really nice palette though. They have so many looks over here. I use the shade as a base, Do Not Move, and on the eyelid I use So Many Paparazzi. And then to just make sure that the eye looks defined, I'm Inspired. And to make sure that the eyelid look very glossy, I use the lip gloss by MAC. So this one is basically a clear lip gloss that you can get from everywhere. But I like the one that is of MAC. It's really nice and it's thick on the skin. It doesn't feel sticky, but it does look very glossy. For the cheeks, I'm gonna use the NYX Sweet Cheeks in shade Red Riot. So this one is a really nice blush, but it just makes sure that you don't use too much. For the mascara, I used the Finishers. This one is by Lancome. This one is #1 mascara in the world. I use it just to make sure that eyelashes they have color in it. It doesn't look too pale or naked. So to highlight the skin, I'm going to use the highlighter powder, which is Bobbi Brown. The shade is Afternoon Glow. This one is a really nice highlighter. I'm using it before I'm using all the rest of the highlighter because it just gives me a very nice base to the skin to make sure that it looks very highlighted, very illuminated. And for the lips, I use this Smashbox Richie. This one is Be Legendary lipstick. It's really nice lipstick. It's nourishing the lips. It has a very shiny finish to it. And then on top of it, I use the lip gloss by MAC. Alright guys, so that is the look. Guys, if you like it, just thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I see you next in my next video. Bye bye.
Bye.